Sitting disease. Yes, it's a real thing, and it's defined as the negative impact that being immobile for extended periods is having on the health of society at large. My name is Dr. Chris Raynor, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine doctor, and I want to talk to you about sitting disease and why you must change the way that you work. Join me for my upcoming workshop. The information I will be presenting is for anyone who sits at a desk all day, anyone who drives a lot, anyone who just spends a lot of time watching TV, working at a computer, playing video games, students, grandparents, mothers, fathers, kids, pretty much everyone. In 2 short hours, I'm going to talk to you about why sitting for extended periods is bad for your health. I'm also going to tell you why, even if you work out every single day, let's say for an hour, it's still not enough. And I'm going to show you some simple strategies and movements that you can do to help remedy the situation. Now, this is important information that everyone needs to hear and to act on. We are living in a time when your health is of paramount importance. It's time to educate yourself and to take charge of your own personal well-being, because if you don't, who's going to? If you can do me one favor, share this with someone that you know so that together we can make the world a better, healthier, more resilient place, one small step at a time. See you soon.